My name is Alyssa, and I am a registered dietitian nutritionist at Central Ohio Primary Care. Fruits and vegetables are food groups with a whole host of health benefits. They're rich in fiber, which is important for our gastrointestinal health. They have vitamins and minerals to prevent nutrient deficiencies, and they have antioxidants, which protect our body cells from damage. We want a variety of colors in our fruits and vegetables because each one gives different properties, so they complement each other, and you won't miss out on any of these vital nutrients. Even with all these health benefits fruits and vegetables have to offer, many families still struggle to eat them on a daily basis. Here are some easy and convenient tips for you and your family to eat more of these nutritious foods. Tip number 1, cook creatively with your vegetables. A frozen steamable bag in the microwave is probably the easiest, but don't count out roasting your vegetables either. Whatever vegetable you choose, all you have to do is chop, drizzle some oil, sprinkle some seasoning, and pop it in the oven. This cooking method cooks out the moisture, and it leaves you with this nice, crispy and flaky texture. It's a crowd pleaser. Tip number 2, for raw fruits and vegetables, try adding a dip. Hummus is made from chickpeas and comes in a variety of flavors. It goes great with cucumbers, bell peppers, and carrots. Another favorite dip is ranch dressing. To make it a little bit healthier, try using plain Greek yogurt and a ranch seasoning packet. It tastes just like ranch dressing, but it has the added benefit of a higher protein content. Tip number 3, try storing your fruit in the freezer. It tastes just like a popsicle. Grapes, melon, and berries all taste great frozen, and you can use it as a refreshing after-dinner treat. Remember, eating fruits and vegetables are very important for our health, but they have to taste good for us to want to eat them on a regular basis. Try experimenting with some of these tips. See what you and your family enjoy, and you can ask your COPC pediatrician for more information.